Okay. We is going, ooh, windy. We is going in the airport. Is my hair nice?
Yeah.
Girl, ooh. Hold up. The airport is such a magical place. Where are we going? Oh my god, this is so heavy. This is so heavy. Okay, hang on. Ooh. Phew. We can go. Okay, we passed security. Am I supposed to film? Where are we going? Phew. It's wet. I caught you like 50 minutes ago. Oh my gosh. Okay. We is in, what is this? It's like woodsy kind of background. Show it, girl. Show it. Yeah. Girl. Walking so fast. How am I gonna do this? Hold up. Hold up. Hold up. Hold up. Hold up. Okay. Okay, there we go. We got it. We are going down.
Tell me you're looking at your legs.
Yeah, my legs. Ooh. No. Oh. There we go. I kind of want to. Can you hear?
Yeah.
Ooh, okay. We going in, what is it, Subway?
Oh my gosh. Hurry! Hurry! Oh, which one? In it!
Give me the ball. We is moving. Okay.
Hold tight, everyone.
Oh.
Next stop, Beijing.
La la la. Is that ours? We're not He's about to board. Ooh. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Passport time. We're leaving America. Oh, girl. You would trip. Lots of footsteps. America. Oh, Lord. Girl. Oh, they have. Ooh, we get in the airplane. Okay. When are we leaving? It's taking a while. Ooh, I look really bad. It's been like, how long has it been? Not even, I don't know, maybe like 3 hours? I don't know, into the flight. We have like forever left. Oh my gosh, finally we're at Korea. Not at Vietnam yet. Oh my god, that was like 16 hours. I'm dizzy. I don't like... I'm okay though. Breathe. Deep breathing. Phew. Lord Jesus. My hair is disgusting. Ah! Woo, girl! Moving sidewalks. This is what everywhere should have. Wow, way to push. It moves for a reason, so you don't have to walk.
No.
Where are you going? Korea is fancy. Fancy schmancy. It looks kind of like a mall. But it's the airport.